Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. At whatever time it is you're listening to this, it's so lovely to have you join me here. I am Andrew Michaels, and this is my entry for Vibes Week 36. And for this week, I'm going to be doing a song by Hillsong. A song by Hillsong. I surrender, and I sincerely love the song, and I do hope you enjoy listening just as much as I enjoyed singing the song. Thank you so much for your time.
Here I am down on my knees again, surrendering, no, surrendering. Find me here, Lord, as you draw me near. I'm desperate for you, desperate for you, and I surrender. Drench my soul as mercy and grace unfold. I hunger and thirst, I hunger and thirst. With arms stretched wide, I know you hear me cry. Speak to me now, speak to me now, and I surrender, and I surrender. I want to know you more, I want to know you more, and I surrender, and I surrender. I want to know you more, I want to know you more. Like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe in. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a mighty storm, still within my soul. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me, and I surrender, and I surrender. I wanna know you more, I wanna know you, and I surrender, I surrender. I wanna know you more, I want to know you more, and I surrender.